I'm on with Recline Wood Source here, and we're going to do a floating mantle bracket installation today for one of our projects. So here's our floating mantle hardware. It's a 3-inch flat bar, and then it has the support rod sticking out. So we're going to mortise out a channel for the flat bar and then drill our holes for our rods in the back of our mantle. Now we're going to mark where we need to drill the holes. Alright guys, so we went ahead and we drilled out our holes for the rods in our hardware. So now we'll get the bracket and we'll go ahead and line it up with our holes. So that's installed nice and properly. It's flush here. It's marked it for the orientation so the installer knows which way is the best fit. And now basically the mantle's ready to be hung.